Hi, a very good evening to all of you. Today, my topic will be on the time management, or I'll say priority management. So we all have, gone through so many of the things, and we always say we don't have time for this. कई बार तो I have listened to the people वो ऐसे भी बोलते हैं, I don't have time to even have a poison. तो so I don't really relate to that कि भाई मरना क्यों है. So so basically I have read so many books on the time management. If I'll talk about yesterday only, I started with one book, Start with Your Why. And Seven Habits of Highly Effective People is one of like very known book. And it's very very clear, like we have to actually not manage our time. That is the myth which we carry, that we have to manage our time. But it's always about how you can prioritize your things, so that you can manage all the stuff whatever you do on the daily basis. So if I'll talk about myself, so basically 2 years back, when I used to work in Bangalore in EY. So what happened is my shift timings are around 11 to 7:30. So what I used to do is, obviously morning ka time to वैसे ही चला गया, that I have to go to office around seven, like I have to take a 1 hour gap. So what exactly used to happen is 10 by 10 I used to get ready and get out and go to the office. Then if I'll talk about the office timing, everyone knows that if we are working on 8 to 9 hour shift, so we are not actually productively doing all the work which we used to do on, in 2 to 3 hours, or maybe 4 or 5 hours. Maximum we do 5 to 6 hours work on the daily basis. If I'll talk about, then I have to come back, and then it was like prepare the dinner and just go away. And I was like, yeah, I don't have time to do anything, any extra stuff apart from what I used to do. But when I came to know that I can actually manage my stuff, actually I can prioritize my things which I really wanted to pursue in my life. Then what things which I did is, like, obviously we all know that exercise is good for our health. We all know we have to go for the 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour of the daily walk, if morning or evening. We have to do it because it's good for our health. But the only thing is, are we actually doing it? Are we really focusing on what we really want? So every 1 hour, if we actually calculate that, okay, this work we have done, this thing we need to actually work on, so we can actually visualize, like, okay, this is that thing which the time I've actually invested. So if I'll talk about the tricks which I used to apply on the daily basis is, make a list of the tasks. Like if I'll talk about to-do list, like we you all do on the, on the job. So we make a to-do list like this all what we need to do, and eliminate how much you have devoted the time in that particular thing. Like if I'll talk about, I have a meeting for daily sync up call, and in that daily sync up call, after that I have assigned a particular task. So in that particular task, I have to actually think how much time I'm devoting in that particular task. Either if that task is for 2 hours and I'm devoting 3 to 4 hours, so actually I have to evaluate where that 2 extra hours are going. So one thing is that, make your to-do list, estimate how much time you wanted to devote in that particular area, and eliminate the task which is really not important. So if I'll talk about that, so the priority will come in between. If like I have a meeting and I have to go for the lunch, and I have not done the lunch from a quite a long time, and it's a gap. So I know if I'll not do the lunch, I might get a health issue. So I have to actually prioritize that meeting. If I can postpone that meeting, I have to postpone my meeting and I'll go for the lunch. If not lunch, if I can't postpone my meeting, so I have to postpone my lunch, because lunch is can wait for 5 or 10 minutes, but meeting or clients cannot. So you have to actually prioritize what is really important at that particular movement of the time. And if I'll talk about changes, what we can do, like earlier I used to get up at around 7, uh, and now I used to get up at 6 every day, every morning, and it become my habit. Like if I'll talk about the lockdown, starting from the lockdown thing. So if I'm getting up at 6, somewhere down the line which work I have not able to do on the rest of the day, in that particular 1 hour I can do, because I have managed a small change in my life. If I'll talk about TV, mobile, laptop, if you are not doing anything productive in your mobile or laptop, so actually you can just switch it off and do what you really wanted to do in your life, like spending a good time with your family, do some hobbies thing, whatever you like. Like if you like reading books, you can go and read those books in that particular time. If you like to do some painting stuff or anything you like, so you have to prioritize, like if laptop is not important, then I can do what I really want to do. So make a calendar, to do list. You have to actually remind yourself, okay, this thing has been done, now I have to work on this thing has been done, you have to work on this. So basically by doing that, you can actually be able to manage your time properly with the right priority in your life. So I will end with one thing: if you prioritize your time, obviously proper discipline will come into your life, and it will make you do what you actually wanted to do in your life, and will give you the best result, in the time. So I will land with one small saying, that don't waste, and don't keep your time as a like as an asset. Keep your time, don't keep your time as a liability, keep your time as an asset. Make a time as a gold. Behave like your time is like a gold. If you waste even 1 second, that is like you are wasting 1 crore rupees. So thank you so much for listening to me. I hope I am added some value in your life. Thank you so much.